Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for slot machine repair service business. So if you run slot machine repair services, then manually responding to all the inquiries can be very time consuming and overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these inquiries all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for slot machine repair business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here, we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Rapid Fix Slot Machine Repairs. We are here to help you with urgent repairs, service status or billing. Please choose an option." And it has provided us with 3 options. I'm going to select the first one. Request a repair. Let's book a repair service. Please send the machine model. So here I'm going to send a machine model. Model X 1200. Let's book a repair service. Please send issue description. So here I'm going to send description of my issue. Screen frozen. Error code 87. We have received your details. Our team will assign a technician and confirm shortly. Next I'm going to choose track service. And our chatbot responds with, "Check repair progress. Please click the link below to track your repair progress using the ticket ID." And it has provided us with a link from which we can track our progress. Lastly, I'm going to click on billing support. And our chatbot responds with, "Need a copy of your invoice or have a billing query? Please share your registered email." So here I'm going to send a dummy mail like this. Our team will send it right away. In case you have not received it, you can reach our repair experts here. Call on this given number or email us on this given email address. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot we have created for slot machine repair business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create it, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it WhatsApp Chatbot for Slot Machine Repair Business. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which we have an option to enter keywords. It is used to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which helps us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here you can see we have an option to choose template. When you click on it, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with our basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And for that, I'm going to access the text button. Here I'm going to enter a welcome message like this. Welcome to Rapid Fix Slot Machine Repairs. We are here to help you with urgent repair, service status or billing. Please choose an option. So here with the help of this add button option, I'm going to give some quick reply options like request a repair as well as track service, and lastly I'm going to add an option of billing support. Once we are done generating our first message, we can start curating response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with request a repair, and for that I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm going to ask for the repair details like this. Let's book a repair service. Please send machine model. Here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field, and to select it, we need to create it first. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Once you're done creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select name as contact custom field, and as format I'm going to select text. Here you can see we have number of attempts and validation message. I'm going to leave validation message empty, and if you want to give multiple number of attempts to the user, you can do so by adding number of attempts here. Now, link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option, and then I'm going to ask next question. So here I have accessed the question box again, and here I have added this question. Let's book a repair service. Please send your issue description. In contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Now I'm going to generate a confirmation message with the help of this text button. So here I'm going to add. We have received your details. Our team will assign a technician and confirm shortly. So we have generated our first response. Now we can move on to the second one, which says track service. I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Check repair progress. Please click the link below to track your repair progress using the ticket ID. And here we have added a link from which the user can track their repair progress. Lastly, we have option for billing support. I'm going to access the question box again, and I'm going to add it here and link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and then here I'm going to add billing and invoices. Need a copy of your invoice or have a billing query? Please share your registered email. In contact custom field, I'm going to select email, and as format, I'm going to select email as well. Number of attempts is 1 and validation message is empty. Then I'm going to generate a response for this with the help of text button. And here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. In case you have not received it, you can reach our repair experts here. Call on this given number or on this given email address. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for slot machine repair business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. If you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done creating your chatbot, you can save it from here. And once your flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.